cursive O. So starting up here at the top, uppercase is more of an oval, lowercase is more of a circle. So capital O, big oval, then a loop and a tail. So with the tail at the top, that tells us that we will pick up our pencil to write the rest of the word. Again, big oval, loop tail, big oval, loop tail, big oval, loop tail. Lowercase o, starting at the dotted line, circle, loop tail. Now the tail's down lower, so it will connect into the rest of your word. Circle, loop tail, circle, loop tail. Upper and lower case o.